Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE N30, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. To get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me it's going to be settings as an example. And once it's open and visible on your screen, press power key and volume down. See, click OK to complete the save. So once you hold those, it gives you this weird looking screen. So this is already a screenshot that is in the back. From here you can choose to either have it full, which will be the full screen. You can select to be cropped, you can select a special area, or you can also capture a scrollable one, I believe, right here. And anyway, once you have chosen your settings, you can tap on OK to save it. There we go, as you can see, just saved. And from here, the screenshot can be found in your photo gallery, right over here. So let me just go back. There we go, and it's under screenshots folder, and that's not the screenshot, that's just the home screen. For some reason, just closed. Let's go to library and screenshots, and there we go. So that is the screenshot. And yeah, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.